I'm Scott Allen Miller. This is the 2nd of January 2022. This is Las Penitas, Nicaragua. You are watching the Sheep Guarding Llama vlog, and this is the madhouse of me just trying to get out of the hotel. I'm gonna spin around here. Look at all the cars parked everywhere, traffic everywhere. I can't even show you the hotel. I can't really do anything because it is absolutely crazy out here on the street. I'm on the GoPro today, and I'm testing out the microphone. I haven't hooked it up to the GoPro previously. I'm not even sure where to walk here because there is so much traffic going on. Today is not as busy as it was yesterday, but it is awfully darn busy. The entire village is packed. The hotel has been packed all day. I don't think we hit the 60 people that we had yesterday, but what's up? Oh my gosh, they're out of food at Mono Loco. That's Loco, I guess. Yeah, they're empty. They were completely packed yesterday. I guess they were not able to get as much food as they were expecting. Town is crazy. This is pretty cool. And yeah, so as far as we can tell, we have been the busiest restaurant on the beach for the last 2 days. Like, it's been really, really successful. I mean, everybody's busy. I mean, Mono Loco's out of food. But the level to which we have been busy is unprecedented. It's been really something, and we're trying to figure out how to, hey, we're gonna get my video, woo! And it's just been going really, really well. Obviously, our reputation is getting around, and the amount that we're able to handle is really improving. We have the entire staff in. We were so busy yesterday that we had to, for the first time ever, cater in 2 meals to cover our staff, including all of us. We had no extra food for anything. But today, it's been busy. We've avoided being out in the hotel all day. It's actually been a pretty relaxing day. It is Sunday, in case you're watching this in the future and don't realize what day of the week it is. So we're always a busy day on Sundays, and this weekend is particularly busy. It should go without saying because it's New Year's Eve, New Year's weekend, but I'm gonna wait for this bus. But because New Year's Eve fell on a Friday and New Year's Day fell on a Saturday, and Sunday is the traditional busiest day of the week, we ended up with basically a 3-day massive party weekend. So the level of people willing to come out and do stuff on the beach is higher than you would have on if New Year's fell on a Wednesday, for example. So we got a really, really busy weekend this weekend. Tomorrow is going to be nobody, right? Everyone's going to be burned out having been here the last 2 days. That there'll just be nobody left. Oh, everybody wants to be in the video. Woo! So we really just relaxed today. Dominica and I hung out watching Seinfeld. I did a bunch of video stuff. You're going to see a bunch of my uploads were filmed today because it's the only chance that I've had to do that. We managed to get breakfast because we ate really early at the hotel, but because we're sold out and so busy, we just can't do anything more than that. And really not too much to tell you other than how cool this is, that there's so much tourism going on. Things are really coming back in Las Penitas, and we assume down in Punta as well. And as we saw the other night in Leon, things were really, really busy out there on Friday night. So we're hearing this, and I spoke to a hotel manager in Leon on Saturday, and she said, yeah, there's just we're really seeing in December the traffic come back, and that they were just swamped all through December, which is still a busy season, but it's not as busy as, it's not normally crazy. They're expecting it to be still somewhat slow, more busy than it's been, but still somewhat slow, and that is not the case. It is really, really coming back. We're seeing good things happen out here, at least in this department. I don't know how the rest of the country's doing. I do know that San Juan del Sur is seeing a bit of resurgence as well, but I don't know if, Granada or Managua or Matagalpa are seeing the same kind of numbers that we are, but at least out here, things are going pretty well. So I'm going to leave it at that. We are trying to get some dinner. We skipped lunch, breakfast at the hotel, and we tried to eat at Mono Loco, but we can't. So we're going to be coming over. I got to go get an order. I'm going to come over to Puesta and get food from there. We have Wilber's wife's restaurant is supposed to be supplying barbecue at lunch today. I didn't go out to check if that's the case. And Puesta, I think, is going to be making our dinner, as they often do. And we're just gonna call it a relaxing evening, gonna hide in the office and just chill and hopefully get a lot of these videos uploaded while I have time to do so. And we will see all of you tomorrow.